Hey, this is Robert with a automotive quick tip. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Now we're installing the rear tires. Because they're Propuses, which are front wheel drive wheels off a C70, we got to put a spacer on there. You got to get the spacer the proper size to bring the offset of the mounting out so you don't get rubbing and stuff. So the first thing you do is set the spacer on, tighten it down, then you put the wheel on the spacer and tighten it down. Front wheel drive car wheels on a rear wheel drive car. The spacer on there is hub centric, so it won't be bouncing around. Put nuts on there like this all the way around. When you tighten them in, they'll be inset to the spacer so that the wheel goes on with no problem, but the wheel has openings here anyway, so that really won't matter. So you get all the nuts on, holding the spacer in place, torque them down, then set the wheel. Alright, here we go. We got these lug nuts. Dan calls them tuner lug nuts. They take a triple square, looks like a triple square 14. Tighten those on, which we have here. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.